This is going to be quick. The pan is hot. I'm putting the butter, that's about 2 tablespoons in there. I'm putting the shallots. That's what you have to use for this, but I'm just using onions. But for a dish like this, shallots have to be used. And then a teaspoon of garlic, fresh garlic, and if that browns, that's great. And the fish, salmon, a filet, lay it right there. This won't take long, like I said. And the anchovies, they'll disintegrate. So we don't want to make noise, so I'm going to use wood. Quiet, very nice. You can use a non-stick pan, but this pan works very well. You don't have to put salt. I put cracked pepper all over the top, as you can see, I hope. And then when I turn this, I'm going to add the white wine. Smells good. You don't want to overcook salmon. I like it a little pink. Of course, I get the end piece. You get a whole side of salmon, and I cut fillets out of it. That's the white wine. Get the Kalamata. That's 5 Kalamata olives cut in quarters, lengthwise. Very high flame, because we don't want to overcook, plus we want this to cook down quickly. The only things I have to add is the light cream. If you have heavy cream, that's better. I'm going to take this out, because the fish is done. Put the fish on the plate. Let this reduce. Have to taste that, because it should be salty because of the anchovy and the Kalamata olives. Very good, that's enough salt for me. Pan's easy to clean, not to worry. Then I'm going to put the scallions in there in about 3 seconds, because that is perfect consistency for a sauce. Scallions or chopped leafy parsley. And that's it. Shut this off. Pour this over the fish. And that's what we have. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it right now.